Future POS offers 3 different ways for their users to log in. The first is by using a PIN number. The next is by swiping an employee swipe card. And finally, you can use a fingerprint reader as well. Additionally, if you use Future POS's labor scheduler, you can restrict your employees from clocking in too early or too late without a manager's position. The night bartender is scheduled to come in at 6:30. We have a leeway of 10 minutes before the manager needs approved of their clock in. As you can see, I can clock in, log in, everything's fine. I'm within that 10-minute window. The day bartender, however, is way over, so they should not be able to clock in. As you can see, it's requiring a supervisor password in order to clock in. As soon as I swipe my employee badge for my manager's ID, the day bartender is allowed to clock in. Over a pay period, this can save you a lot of money on extra hours that your employees are stealing from you on a daily basis. This is another way that Future POS puts money back in your pocket.